to know. Good morning everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I would go through a couple of things with you. It's just a really quick video, and one of the main things when I got my Cricut 12 months ago that I really wish I had have known about was the fact that you do not have to buy SVG files. You don't have to pay for them. You don't have to shell out loads more money. Let's face it, the machine, the materials, the tools, it's cost you a fortune to start with, so you don't want to be spending more on files. The only exception to this, and this is important, is if you are planning on running a small side business, or you're going to be selling your items at craft fairs or similar places, you may need to buy commercial licenses for them, because not every design online is available for a commercial purpose. That's really important. The other thing with regards to commercial is copyright. Copyright is massive. It's a massive issue. The easiest way to get over copyright is just don't sell anything that is somebody's properties. Do not sell Disney. Don't sell anything to do with the Grinch. Don't sell, you know, all these licensed items. Anything that's licensed, it's just not worth it. They'll catch up with you in the end and they will take you down. Disney is good at that. It's just not worth it. There's so many other designs that you can use, and I'm going to show you today one of my favourite websites to get free SVGs from. It's called Design Bundles, and they have loads and loads of free SVG files that you can download. Every month they put new stuff on there, and their files cut wonderfully. I'm going to go through and show you how to get the file, first of all, how to download it onto your computer. I am using a Mac, so if you're using a Windows computer it may be slightly different for you. I'm going to show you how we then access the file on the computer, how we upload it into Design Space, because I so struggled with that. Luckily my friend had got a Cricut about 3 weeks before I did, and she was way ahead of me, so she knew what to do. So I was like Zoom calling her to ask her to show me how to do it, and that was so helpful. But if there was a video like this, I probably wouldn't have needed to do that. It's not always self-explanatory how you do it, so we're going to show you how to do that. And the project that I've picked to look at is quite a complicated one. I haven't started it yet, but when I have, I will show you how I do it. Let's get into it. So first of all, just start off by getting onto your computer and go to designbundles.net and just scroll through their homepage, and this shows you a lot of the bundles and stuff that they have, and they're all really cheap anyway, but we're looking specifically for free ones today. So if we jump over to their menu and just click on free designs, and then all of these designs that you'll see here are free to download. You will need to create an account, but it's really simple. It's just your email address and a password, and then once you log in to your account on the website, you'll be able to download any of the images that you see here. As you can see, there are loads of different images to choose from, so just keep scrolling as long as you like until you find something that you fancy. So I'm just going to go back up to the top because there was a design that really caught my eye, this whale shadow box design. So I'm going to click on the free, and then this now shows us all the information about this file. So it shows you that you can cut it using scissors yourself with a Cricut or a silhouette machine. So this also shows us all the different file types that we can get. So there's SVG, PDFs and PNG files. Obviously we're just looking for the SVG. So once we're ready, we just scroll down a bit and click on the download. Next, just make sure that you're logged in. My computer always asks me for permission to download. And then if I just go up there to my downloads, they're all there, and there's the file. So if I click on the file, it'll open up and give me all the different file types that are there, a picture of it, and also the licensing agreement. As I mentioned before, it's important to read the licensing agreement if you're planning on selling. And the majority of free files on this particular website do come with a commercial license that's limited use. I'm just going to double click on the SVG. Now it looks like every layer is a separate image, so we'll have to put them all into Design Space separately. So now I'm going to show you how to put these into Design Space. Okay, so let's hop into Design Space, and we've got a blank canvas here, and the first thing to do is just go down on the left and click on Upload, and then you'll see all the different uploads I've had before. Click on Upload Image and then Browse. Now you need to find the location of your file, so when you click on Browse, it will bring up the last location that you were in. So on mine, I need to click on Downloads, and then the whale file is right at the very top, as it was the last item I downloaded. So now just double click on the SVG folder. So each one of the files is numbered, so I'm just going to select number 1 and then Open. And then that's in my Design Space library. I'm just going to rename it Whale Lightbox 1. And then save it. And it's there. So let's do the next one. So Upload Image, Browse, and then pick number 2, Open. And there it is again, just rename it Whale Lightbox 2. And save. And then we just need to keep doing that with all of our numbered layers. So now I'm just going to put one of those images into Design Space by clicking Insert Images, and it's come up massive on my screen. So I'm just going to adjust my zoom. That was the wrong way, and then just make it a little bit bigger. Okay. And then I'm going to put in the other one. And then I'll just put that on top of it. And at this stage, it doesn't really matter whether you put them in the right position or not, because they'll all cut obviously on separate mats, but this is really for sizing purposes. So that's how we really easily and quickly can download images from a website into Design Space. If you have liked this video, I would really love it if you would consider subscribing. I'd love to see you again here in the future. If you liked the video, please drop me a like. If you've got any questions, just drop them in the comments below. And in the future, if there's any other topics that you'd like me to cover with regards to Cricut, how the machine works, or Design Space, anything like that, please put them in the comments down below and I'll do my best to cover that in a future video. A little disclaimer just to say this video is not sponsored by Design Bundles in any way, shape or form. I just really like their website and their designs. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you again. Bye!